Hello friends, today we're making banana bread pudding. Take a look at that, it's beautiful. Once you make the banana bread pudding, you can top it with whatever you wish. I like peanut butter ice cream with Cool Whip and drizzled with pecan bites. Hope you enjoy, friends. So good.
Let's get started by gathering these ingredients. Slices of bread cut into pieces, salted butter, mashed bananas, evaporated milk, vanilla, cinnamon, southern style custard, and sugar. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and butter a baking dish with 1 tablespoon of butter. Randomly place the bread pieces inside the dish so that it's stacked on top of each other. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for 30 seconds. Then pour the melted butter over the bread pieces. In a bowl, mix together the southern style custard, evaporated milk, vanilla, cinnamon, sugar, and mashed bananas, and pour the mixture over the bread pieces. Press down on the bread so that it has soaked up the mixture. Place in the oven for 40 minutes or until the top is nice and browned. Let it cool for 15 minutes and it's time to plate your dish. Cut a slice of the banana bread, add ice cream, Cool Whip, and top with your favorite nuts. Voila, this dessert is done. Now, this is definitely not healthy, but once in a while you must treat yourself to some deliciousness. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, friends.